Hey folks, Steve Stack, Baird Brothers Fine Hardwoods, turned around in Studio 3B on the workshop side. Talking to you today about a service that we offer, not something we're building today, but a service that we offer here at Baird. We offer 3D printed samples, and what that entails is for architects, interior designers, and or for homeowners. We offer a service where you can go into our SPL section from bairdbrothers.com, left-hand column, custom moldings, 2,800, 3,000 different custom moldings we've manufactured over the years. Well, it's hard to produce and costly to produce a wood sample. That entails our guys over in engineering to take a SPL file, send it over to IT, they load it up onto our 3D printer, and we'll produce a physical, full-scale sample model prototype of the molding that you're requesting. And it's really nice for interior designers, architects. They can present it to the homeowners and say, here, this is what it's going to look like along your baseboard. Maybe it's a casing. This is what it's going to be, the framework, the millwork around your doors and windows, crown molding, chair rails, accessory moldings. They're all available. Like I said, 2,800, 3,000 different profiles. Better yet, for the interior designers or the homeowners, you have something in your mind that you've seen somewhere, it's stuck with you, sketch it out. We'll bring it to life and we'll produce drawings, then we'll produce the prototype sample and get it to you. While you're on our SPL custom moldings page, you might be thinking about a baseboard, and you might say, well, do I want a 6-inch baseboard? Do I want a 7-inch baseboard? Do I want a 9-inch baseboard? For a minimal fee, click them off. We'll manufacture that 3D printed prototype for you, and you can have it in your home and put it against the wall and see which one is the best fit for your design style. It's not complicated. You get the order into us, engineering completes the drawings or sends the file over. The whole process, depending on how many samples you request, how big the sample is, it might take a couple, 2-3 hours for us to produce on the 3D machine, or it's liable to be an 8-hour run, but we'll get them to you. Okay, Benny, so I've been talking a little bit about our 3D generation capabilities and how we take it from the customer's want list or design. We bring it to life for them in a physical sample of the 3D printed sample piece, and it's full size, all the details, and then they give us the green light. What do you do with it when it hits the shop?
Yeah, so after the customer receives their sample and verifies that everything's up to their standard and they're satisfied with what came off the 3D printer, from there, Joe up in drawing is going to go ahead and send us a CAD drawing down to the grinding room. We're going to upload that CAD drawing onto our CNC grinder. From there, the CNC grinder will go ahead and cut the profile in. From there, we're going to take the head off the grinder. Depending on what profile it is, we might have to make a top, bottom, and 2 sides, or maybe just a top, maybe just a side. Really just depends on what all that profile entails. From there, we're going to take it out to the molder, set it up, and make it happen for you.
So in that process, while the knives are being generated, you've requested from Terry in the rough rip mill, okay, I need 400 lineal feet of 7 1/4 inch red oak.
Yeah. So normally we're going to have about a 2-week lead time on a custom profile like that. If we don't already have the material on hand, myself or Ed Barry will normally get with my cousin Terry, and he'll go ahead and make us that material up. From there, we're going to bring it into the shop after the knives are ready and everything like that, and we'll go ahead and run it on a molder. One
of the many processes we go through at Baird Brothers.
Yep.
Okay, so folks, what started as a challenge in picking that special molding out for your home, we've taken you through the availability of our 3D printed sample pieces, and it's a streamlined process. Access it through our website, bairdbrothers.com, and then we'll walk you through it. We'll work with you. Whether it's your design or one of our existing SPL designs, we can accomplish that, and it'll give you the satisfaction of having a physical sample piece that you can have in your home and put you over the top and help make that decision. This is what I want. So check it out. And if you have something special, we're here for you. We've got an excellent engineering department, and we'll get you through it. So BairdBrothers.com, 1-800-732-1697. The phone sales guys are, they're there for you. So send us a challenge.